Okay, it's like 6:33. My phone is still like in nighttime mode. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty out. Hold on. Like, isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous. So I'm gonna take a picture of these and then put them in the car. Move the dash mount so I can try to film. This is today's outfit because I'm gonna drive. We're gonna see. Hopefully it goes okay. I don't know. Let's go.
Great! Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an Avatar, and I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. You've all got them. But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stand still over your number, you're not gonna feel a thing. You're doing great. Almost done here.
They're all clear.
Great. Now let's go over how all this works.
I got a wee bit motion sick, which I kind of thought might happen. Should have taken a Dramamine. Don't tell my dad. Behind me in line was a family. I assume they were from Buffalo. They had Buffalo stuff. And somebody walked by and said, "Go Bills!" I'm from Rochester, so basically Bills country. And the girl was like, the daughter said, "Are you sure you want to do this?" And she ultimately meant waiting in the line, which is like 40 minutes maybe. And the dad said, "This won't be the last time." And I even thought he meant like, oh, waiting in line. And then he said, Bill's Mafia runs deep, which I think is funny. Although honestly, like, I do see a lot of Bill stuff down here all the time. So maybe I just notice it more than other sports teams because it's close to me. I don't know. I forgot to put sunscreen on anything but my face. And I forgot my water. So I think I'm gonna go get some breakfast and I'll buy like a water or maybe an apple juice, but then I can still refill it. I think I might just hang out in Harambe and then head over to the conservation station and do an animation class because that's my favorite thing. Okay, finally. I got an apple juice. And now I can't remember if it was bacon or sausage. A breakfast sandwich. Sausage. It's a little dry, but biscuits usually are, so not a complaint. question is, do I know where I'm going? So dinosaur says it's 5 minutes. So head over there. Maybe do Triceratops spin because I like a good Triceratops spin. Is this a? I know I'll get there this way. We'll see. Music here is always a pop. Hi, Eleanor.
Hello. I'm Dr. Marsh, director of the Dino Institute, and I hope you enjoyed those quaint exhibits in the old wing. That's how dinosaurs have been presented to the
Everybody move all the way in, all the way up towards that big screen. All the way in, all the way up towards that big screen, please.
Which is about to become extinct. In a perfect blending of science and technology, the Dino Institute has created the Time Viper, an amazing vehicle that will literally transport you to the age of the dinosaurs. How? That's proprietary. But the result is a breathtaking journey through a prehistoric world where you'll witness the most spectacular creatures to ever walk the earth. In a moment, you'll be going live to our control center for a comprehensive safety briefing, and then it's on to the tour that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself.
Hold down.
Whoa, boy! How was that for a spin? Now, please stay seated until your Triceratops comes to a complete stop.
Good morning, adventurers! We are the Discovery Island Drummers. Welcome to the world's most magical celebration. Have a great day! And keep jamming!
There would just be another female that took over the role of swing, and then she would be she would just be the one that had the baby. It's pretty interesting.
Are they still like nice where they're constantly using the
Well, actually, they're a little more interesting. So they actually set up their burrows like a house. So you'll see they have like a kitchen and then a bedroom, and they have a.
Little booty. You're a big froggy.
in the shade, I guess. That's a lot of fish.
It's huge. There's thousands of little fishies. So pretty. Here we go, get water. Nice view.
Africa. Someone give me one of them. What's one? Lions. What's another? Cheetahs. What's another? Leopard. If you were going to say tiger, that would have been a very good guess, but tiger is back later. So we've got leopards, lions, and cheetahs.
Running zebra.
Tell me, what do
I
leopards
still
and
do.
cheetahs have all over their fur? Spots. Our third and final clue on our page is some fur. Does it look like that fur has spots on it? No, so what means that animal has to be? A lion. Y'all got it exactly right, my friends. So do me a favor when y'all go home.
This guy was running
try
around.
and track some animals. Yeah, maybe have a lion.
Oh, you gotta go somewhere now? have you been here? Like Dino's usually been like right over here. He doesn't do that so much anymore.
He's older now. He's 41 now.
Yeah.
So he wants to be by the door where it has peace. But if he does come out, it's because someone's been back.
Okay. We haven't been since we started him. As I said, it's just Grace was little. That was the last time.
So wait, Mama, what did she say?
Gino usually stays over by like the door where like if there's AC.
No one stays over there.
Yeah, like
Yeah, it's Gino's favorite. My favorite is when he gets the romaine lettuce first. He'll just take a big chunk of it. He won't pull it apart like Azizi and.
do they sponsor? That was like the coolest thing ever. Oh my gosh. And the little baby got her good. So good.
Absolutely no standing up, passing anybody back and forth, or holding anybody up on our journey. Children, once again, are welcome to be seated next. Look up above you, you'll see the animal spotting guide. Has all the different creatures that we might be able to see here on our journey. And while we might not be able to see all of them due to their migration path, the okapi. Those okapi might look like they're closely related to the zebras, given the stripes on their legs and hindquarters, but they're actually closer related to the giraffe. They have the same prehensile tongue and a very similar skull structure as well. Also pretty solitary animals, so it's pretty common to see them all by themselves, like we see over here. A little harder to see in between the bushes. These animals can weigh up to about 3,000 pounds, and they can charge up to 35 miles an hour. Kind of in that far corner. We're going to see if we might be able to find any more of them, but they're really hard to see back there. This is our first glimpse of some of the Nile hippopotamus. Got a few more of them behind the middle island over here on the left-hand side as well. These Nile hippopotamus spend most of their day in the water, and they can go underneath for about 8 minutes at a time. Their eyes, nose, and ears are all perfectly situated right on the tops of their heads, so they can bob their head in and out of the water in order to catch a breath. They can even do that while they are sleeping as well. Like I said, they do spend most of their day in the water. The only time they really come out is at nighttime when they do most of their grazing, or if it's nice and cool, they might come out of the water as well. The large white birds, you see a few of them swimming around, and some on the middle islands there. These are some of the pink-backed pelicans. They get their name from the shade of pink that their skin turns during mating. They're also one of the larger colonial birds. They can be in nests of up to about 500 pairs in that one nest. So you're going to be able to see some of the Nile crocodile. These animals are extraordinarily powerful. They have a bite that's about 2,000 pounds per square inch. I want to once again remind everybody to remain in their seats. Do not stand up on this truck. Pretty close to us here on the left-hand side as well. These giraffes can stand 18 to 20 feet tall. They use their long prehensile tongues to reach those leaves up on top of those trees. Their tongues can reach up to about 18 inches long. Their saliva makes them pretty sticky, and they move a lot like our fingers do, and that's how they're able to easily grab onto those leaves. If you're lucky enough to get close to the giraffes while they're eating, you'll notice their tongues are also a little bit of a different color than our human tongues. Their tongues are kind of a dark purple sort of shade, and that dark purple coloration helps them keep protected from the sunlight as they eat for about 20 hours out of their day. A group of giraffe like we see over here on the left is called a tower. Over here on the right-hand side, the animals with the massive horns are some of the Ankole cattle. These massive horns look like they weigh a ton, but they're actually a honeycomb structure on the inside that keep them pretty light for those animals. Each one of their horns can reach up to about 4 feet long, and they house a little bit of extra blood flow in them to help them to regulate their body temperatures. Forward on that right hand side. Not going to be able to see them for too long. There are some of the white-bearded wildebeest over there on the right. Those white-bearded wildebeest are the second most densely populated mammal on Earth, second only to us humans. They can be in groups of up to tens of thousands of them, and they can travel up to about 1,000 miles a year. There's 2 patches of trees out there. Be able to see them a little bit further off in the distance over there on that left-hand side. Once again, folks, remain in your seats. Do not stand up. Make sure your children are also seated, folks. You're going to be able to see that elephant one more time over here on that right-hand side. You notice he's all by himself. It's usually a good indication that it is a male elephant. Once they hit adulthood, they're able to get any closer glimpses at those animals. Those elephants will actually eat the red clay. It has a form of minerals that they need for their diet in order to stay healthy. By using those tusks, they break off that red clay into their mouths to get all of that nutrients that they need.
Wow.
Out of their original herds, but all the females will stay with their herd for life, the oldest one leading them. She knows all the best spots for everything that they need. Moving around, we're going to get a little bit of a better view of them from just around this corner. A lot of animals use those mud pits as a way to stay cool, especially during the warmer months. Most commonly in the area, animals like those rhinos will use them as a way to keep their skin protected from the sunlight as well. Kind of like a natural sunblock for these animals too. A better view of them from over here, coming up on this left-hand side.
Oh, big one.
The white rhinos are a little bit bigger than the black rhinoceros we saw earlier. These white rhinos can weigh up to about 5,000 pounds. They also get their name from their wide mouths, the Afrikaans word for wide. Might be able to see the smaller one right in between those trees. They're very, very hard to see. That's one of our youngest. Right out of these boulders here. Looks like a female lioness up on top of the rocks just behind the male there. Those lions do sleep for about 20 hours out of their day. It is pretty common to see them taking naps or lounging around up on top of the rocks that we see here. The female lionesses are the ones who typically do most of the hunting for their pride. The males will stay back and keep their cubs safe from any potential threats that might be in the area. They are primarily nocturnal hunters. They see 6 times better than us humans do at night. They use those massive paw pads at the bottom of their feet to help aid in a silent approach upon their prey. Stay back into their burrows, bearing those razor-sharp tusks as a way to keep themselves and their burrows protected. All these animals are very small and very adorable. The largest ones are the full-grown adults. We also have that large yellow box that's hanging right out front there, and I'll talk about the yellow box here in just a moment. But these Nigerian dwarf goats help with a lot of conservation efforts here in Africa. These small animals offer their owners milk. From that milk, they make
Go see Nemo, but it's a zoo.
Mysterious world of the open ocean. Many aquatic species, including fish from the wild who need our help, like the group we found in the bay, floating in plastic bags. For these, we remember the 3 R's: rescue, rehabilitate, and
Release! Today's the day! Oh, look how many visitors came to see us all!
Yeah! Hi, little fella!
You know, I bet they're wondering how we even ended up here. Well, why don't we tell them?
Let me, I tell it best.
Well, you really don't. I tell them best. It's not true. You're not sorry.
Listen up! travelers came a long way, and they deserve a good story. So we're gonna do this the way we do everything. Together. Now, it all started.
Oh, when Marlin met a blue tang named Dory. No. It's when they found that man.
No. It's when they escaped those sharks. Oh, that part's scary. Oh, no.
Nope. It all started with a little clownfish named Nemo.
Nemo?
Dad, it's time for school.
All right, we're excited. It's your first day of school, Nemo. We're ready to learn, to get some knowledge.
Come on.
Okay.
Hey, Dad, wouldn't it be cool if I maybe met a shark when I'm in school?
No.
Or an angelfish. Is it true that they have wings?
I don't think so.
Can you believe there are so many things in the big blue world? I'm gonna go explore in the big blue world that I've never seen before. So many creatures swimming round the sea in the big blue world, and all of them are waiting for me.
That's what I'm afraid of.
Hey, Dad, do you know how old sea turtles are?
Sea turtles? Well, if I ever meet one, I'll ask him.
Me too. Maybe I'll meet a sea turtle and a
I
shark.
know you're excited, but let's take a little pause. Sharks are not our friends, Nemo. Haven't you seen Jaws? You don't want to meet a swordfish. You don't want to meet a whale.
I want to meet a whale.
You need me around to watch your tail. The big blue world. I'm scared you'll end up as a clownfish fillet. We could turn right around. We could wait one more year.
Don't be so boring, Dad. I belong here. Wow! Isn't it beautiful?
Nemo.
Come on, Dad.
Hold my fin. Hold my fin!
Take a look around you. The ocean's alive. In the big blue world, it's time for you to
Oh, let's
rise.
name the zones, the zones, the zones. Oh, let's name the zones of the open sea.
Mr. Ray!
Climb aboard, explorers. Ah, who's this?
He's got a little fin. We call it his lucky fin. If he gets tired, give him a break. 10, 15
It'll be
minutes.
all right. Let's go, explorers. Hold on tight. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Really ready?
I don't think I'm ready.
We're ready to go.
My son!
Bye, Dad.
Please be safe!
First stop, the drop-off.
The drop-off!
Yes, the drop-off.
It was there that Nemo discovered that boat.
Our dentist's boat.
What's that? Hey, what? Somebody touch it. Yeah, come on, Nemo. My dad said it.
Nemo! No! You can't be anywhere near here!
I wasn't
You're not
gonna.
ready. I was right. We'll try school again next year.
But, Dad!
You know that you can't swim well.
I can't.
No, you can't. Now come along. You think that you can do these things, but you are wrong.
I hate you.
And with that, Nemo did swim right toward that boat.
But suddenly, a diver appeared. Ah! Daddy! Help me!
But Nemo was gone.
Oh, no, where'd it go? It's gone. No. Oh, has anybody seen a boat? Please! Please, they took my son! I'm coming, Nemo!
Look out! Sorry, sir.
Help! He's got my son! He's got Nemo! Have you seen a boat?
A boat. I've seen a boat. Follow me.
Thank you!
Do you mind?
What?
I'm trying to swim here.
But we're trying to find Nemo. You were showing me which way the boat went.
A boat. I've seen a
both follow me?
Wait! We already did this.
We did? Oh dear. I guess I should explain. I got this problem with my brain. Things get really scrambled in my head. I have no short-term memory. I forget things almost instantly. I'm not even sure what I just said. May I help you?
There's something wrong with you, really. You're wasting my time. I have to find my son.
Chico?
Nemo. Hello.
Well, hi.
I'm Spruce.
I'm Dory, and this is...
No, you don't need to know. I was just
I'd like to invite you to a little party.
What'd you bring for us, mate?
We're starving chocolate tasty bars. Right then. I'm eating as a fish, Shally comes order. Let us all sign the pledge. Fish are friends. Fish are friends.
Fish are friends.
Not food. Though we have long sharp teeth, we're nice sharks underneath. We know that fish are friends, not food. Well, sometimes we know. Sure, we could lead you home, but we have self-control. We know that fish are friends, not food.
Well, I'd like to be your friend.
No stress! Oh, lost in the ocean, lead to emotional. It will when you need help, get through it, and count just won't do it. Don't start feeding, swim to our meeting. Oh yes, we've seen the light. Each day we fight the fight to curb our appetite and change our attitude. Fish are friends. Fish are friends. Fish are friends. Fish are friends. No, fish are friends, not food.
Hey, look, balloons! It is a party!
Mine, it just needs a. You wouldn't want one of them to pop.
Ow! You really clocked me there!
Oh, I'm sorry. Was your nose bleeding?
Oh, that's good. Intermittent! Party on little toys! Why little gown and white Bruce? Remember, fish are friends, not food. Mine is some fun!
Look, that mask belonged to the diver who took my son. Oh, one of these markings mean I can't read human.
And stuffing! It smelled the same as a skate!
Dory, you can read? Read the mask! Oh!
I've got you in my sight.
Got me thoughts!
I'm having fish tonight! Remember, fish are friends. Remember, fish are friends. Remember, fish are friends. Swim away, swim away! Not food.
Woo! Well, we've made it to the best part of the story, where I come in.
Honey, this is where we all come in.
That's right. This is the part where Nemo arrived at the dentist's.
And he didn't even have an appointment.
No, our tank was just a pit stop. The little guy was a present for the dentist's niece, Darla.
Darla!
Oh no!
She's a fish killer! She shakes the bag!
Nah, we weren't gonna let him go belly up. I had a plan.
Dad?
Hey, kid, you'll get back to your dad. I've been watching you. You're small enough to break us free.
But I don't swim well. I got a bad fin.
One bad fin has never stopped me.
Your escape plans never work, Gil.
But this time we got him. I promise we will all get out as long as we can swim together. We swim together. Cooperation is the secret to our success.
Yeah!
We swim in harmony.
And we studied dentistry.
We're the fish of Pablo Sherman DDS.
Sharkbait, you're one of us now, and we can't send you off to your death Darla's coming in 5 days. But you'll be long gone by then. We all will. If we do this the way we do everything else.
Together, we swim together.
Little clownfish, you're right to get to breaking free.
Yeah! And if we all join hands, everybody wins. And we'll swim together in the open sea.
So what's your name, kid?
I'm Nemo.
Our escape plan was set.
Yeah, too bad it didn't work.
Nah, we just had to find another way. Remember, all drains lead to the ocean. And speaking of the ocean, Nemo's dad was still out there trying to find him.
Yeah, but there was one big problem. The mask is gone. That was the only chance I had of finding my son.
Harpo?
Nemo.
Correct. Hey, Mr. Grumpy Gills, life's full of little spills. Don't throw your fins up in disgust. Oh, what's the use of floating there, not going anywhere? Swish your tail and dive on in, and trust that if you just keep swimming, life isn't all that grim. Just keep swimming, what do?
We swim.
Right! La 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 la
No
la
singing.
la la la
No singing, please.
la 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 la.
Right now that song is gonna be stuck in my head.
Look, there's a shiny thing. Hey, that looks interesting.
Please don't retry to stay on task.
It says P. Sherman 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney. I guess it's nothing.
No, Dory, that's the mask!
Yay, we did it!
Yeah, but now what? We don't know how to get there.
So we follow our gut.
But
Just keep swimming, everything will be okay. See? Just keep swimming, move your tail, and sure enough we'll find our way. Oh, sometimes things look bad, then poof, the moment is gone. And what do?
we just keep swimming on.
To P. Sherman 42
Hello there. Excuse me, I'm looking for my son. He will hurt me. Hello, I'm looking for my son. He will come out like me. Please, hurt me. Hello, I'm sorry. Stop. Oh, Dory, no. Hey, lady, is this guy bothering you?
I don't remember. Were you?
No. Do you guys know how to get a P. Sherman 42 to the lady? Fine.
Go easy on him, fellas. He lost his son, Fabio.
Nemo.
And you heard of P. Sherman 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney.
Sydney? What you want to do is follow the EAC. That's an East Australian carriage. Big carriage kid missing. It's in that direction. Just keep swimming. Swim back and maybe you'll float you right past Sydney. It's a big blue world out there that can make a fish feel small. But when friends swim away, it's not so big at all. To Sydney!
So, Marlon and Dory were headed to the
He's not brave enough. He's afraid of whales and sharks and stuff. He's probably angry 'cause I was bad. I'm sure that he's not coming. Not my dad.
But his dad was coming. At that very moment, Marlon and Dory found themselves cruising with a giant sea turtle. And he was, as the kids say, totally awesome!
Dude, you've traveled far. You must be swimming under a lucky star. Yeah, but you're exactly where you're meant to be. So grab some shell and surf the EAC with me. Go with the flow. Go with the flow. Go with Mr. Turtle, dude, Mr. Turtle's my father. Name's Crotch.
Show me 360 squares. Check this out. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh my goodness. Motor dude, why don't you take it slow? But let us see how Squirt does flying solo. I'll be a sea monkey's uncle. You so totally rock, Squirt! You're such an amazing kid. Children, it's awesome. Their eggs on a beach, then cuckoo-ca-choo. They find their own way back to the big old blue. All by themselves? But what if they're not ready? I mean, how do you know? How do you know? Well, you never really know. What if they're ever gonna grow? Then you gotta let them go. You know, just go with the flow. That's the only way to do it. Just go with the flow. Actually enjoyed that.
Me too! See you later, kids! Hey, look! Turtles!
Come on!
Swordfish. Who told the dolphin?
Who told the albatross?
Who told the pelican?
Who flew that news right to our windowsill? Nemo! Did you hear? Your dad's been fighting the entire ocean looking for you!
My father? Really? And where is he? He's in Sydney Harbor right now! Whoa! That's my dad! I knew all along. Underneath, he's really brave and strong. He's on his way now, and I'm so glad of all the fish in the ocean. That's my dad!
Nemo, look out!
Gil, help me!
Everybody jump in!
Together, we swim together. Yay! Oh no, Dino! Now, fishing!
Not the man!
I can't look! Fishing, fishing, wake up, fishing!
Nemo!
He's got belly up!
No! We're too late.
Hey, I'm so sorry.
It's over. Nemo's gone. I couldn't. I'm going home now.
Wait, where are you going?
Dory, if it wasn't for you, I never would have made it here. So thank you.
Wait, stop. No one's ever stuck with me for so long before. Please, don't go away. Please.
Nemo! Nemo!
And you are?
This is Dory! She helped me find you! I thought I lost you. I saw you belly up.
Just pretending. So they flushed me down the drain.
Oh, thank goodness you're safe.
Dad, I don't hate you.
No. I'm so sorry, Nemo. Hey, guess what? I met a sea turtle, and he was 150.
150? Whoa. So tell me, Dad. Dad, what's it like to cross an entire sea?
Well, son, I don't know. Let's go home together, then you'll tell me.
Wanna make it 3?
So Nemo and his dad were finally reunited.
And inspired by Nemo's big escape, we hitched our own ride out of the tank on the Plastic Bag Express.
And that's how we ended up here.
Yeah.
Oh, I just love a happy ending.
But wait! What happened when they got back home to the reef?
Well, it is release day. What do you say we go find Nemo and see for ourselves?
Yeah!
Catch you later, folks. We've got a date with the Big Blue.
In the big blue world, we're gonna go explore.
Well, I'm aboard, explorers.
Time for school.
Now go and get some knowledge.
And come home when you're done. Don't worry, I'll be careful.
But remember to have fun. Everybody find a buddy. Nemo, that means you.
There's something I forgot to do. I love you, Dad.
I love you too, son. Now go have an adventure in the big blue world. You're gonna go explore in the big blue world. Things we've never seen before. What's waiting out there? We can never know. In the big blue world, we're ready to go. Ready to go. Ready to go. In the big blue world.
Bye, Elmo.
Nemo.
Bye, Dory. Bye, Dad.
Bye, son.
It was definitely Lindsay playing the starfish. I don't think I saw Jared. So thirsty today. Alright. Let's see. Ooh. That's a lot of seasoning. They're not too hot though. These would be good with like a waffle fry. I made a lightning lane for Festival of the Lion King. I think the monkeys are back and the birds are flying. I'm going to be there at 1:30. Navi at 2. Oh, maybe I'll look for animation. That might be a good place to go. I think I'm going to do Flame Tree for like my actual lunch, but like a little later. Because dinner's not till 8:30.